Welcome back to the channel, all you Zontes maniacs. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. Today we delve into the Zontes 125 and 150 models, which come in various designs. We are doing an engine oil and oil filter change. This process is easy to follow, so why pay a mechanic to do it? When with limited tools, it's a procedure you can tackle yourself. This video is with English subtitles. Take your time, then step back and smile. So why do motorbikes have more frequent oil changes than cars? An easy analogy is the quantity of oil. A motorbike has 2 liters of oil or less working hard, revving up to 9,000 RPM. A car has around 5 liters of oil in a bigger space, revving typically 3,000 RPM, so it's easy to assume that your motorbike needs an oil change more frequently. The Zontes 125. A sleek machine, built for smooth rides and heroic fuel economy. But let's talk about something even more important than your next road trip: oil changes. Because if you skip them, your engine will throw a tantrum that even a toddler would admire. Imagine your pistons desperately sliding against each other without proper lubrication. You wouldn't run a marathon without water, right? Well, your bike feels the same way. Ignore your oil change and boom, you've just upgraded your bike to a very expensive paperweight. But fear not, fellow rider. With fresh oil, your Zontes stays happy, healthy, and ready to purr like a kitten with a turbocharger. So do the right thing. Change your oil. Keep your bike running smoothly. And most importantly, don't be that guy who learns the hard way. While I have your attention on this video, our Zontes channel has over 2,000 videos on how to maintain, strip down and look after your Zontes motorbike or scooter, subtitled in English, French, Spanish and Chinese, on all the Zontes models. So please take a look on my channel homepage where all the bikes are in different playlists. If you could please promote my channel on your social platforms, it would be much appreciated, as the channel can only survive with your support. Best regards, Mad Mick.
I'm coming for the throne.